Hi guys, hope you're good. Welcome back, and I'm here with another video. So if you are new to this channel, you are so welcome. Don't pass by without clicking on the subscribe button. Like this video, click on the notification bell, drop your comment below, let me know what you think, please, and don't forget to share this video. Okay, like this video, let me know what you think. So yes, today we are going to talking about tricks to last longer in bed. Yes, amazing and beautiful tips and tricks that will help you last longer, satisfy your woman, take care of her sexually and otherwise. So, guys, journey with me to this. See, now, let me tell you, there are many factors. There are so much, like so much that can make you not to be able to last longer. Okay, that's the truth. There are other factors that aside whatever that is going on in your head that can enable you or that can make you sorry to last not to last longer in bed. That's the truth. Now first, let me tell you one thing about premature ejaculation. Now premature ejaculation, see, is is more like a physiological and psychological issue. Okay, so I suggest you meet your doctor and discuss further. That's the truth. Okay, and now one thing we don't know about is, see, for premature ejaculation, the truth is, honestly speaking, you don't need an erect bola, yes, to be able to make your woman orgasm. That's the truth. The truth is that if you understand the G spot, okay, if you understand the G spot, how it works, oral sex goes a long way. I'm telling you, can keep her dripping and really satisfy. Yes, that's the truth. So don't really put it on premature ejaculation. It is okay. And now let me tell you, with premature ejaculation, there's nothing to be ashamed of. I see a lot of people that talk so much or maybe try to make some guys that probably are going through this whole premature ejaculation thing feel less of a man. There's nothing to be ashamed of. This is something that we can just meet a doctor, one or two UK. It doesn't cost much to get yourself in order. There's nothing to be ashamed of. It's not about the erected bola. That's the truth. You can still have an erected bola and you cannot make a woman orgasm. It is crazy. See, when you don't know, you don't know. It goes beyond whether it's like this or it's 12 inches or 9 inches or 10 inches. No, it goes beyond. So now let's look at tricks that can help you last longer in bed. Okay, so now me, I will tell you the first thing I feel, because I always want this: identify your root problem. Yes, if you are able to figure out where your problem is coming from, yes, you can know how, and you can people can know where to start helping you from. Identify your root problem. What is your problem? Why is this happening to you? That's the first thing you consider. So now it will still bring me down to foreplay. Okay, foreplay goes a long way. See, it is okay to take time. See, foreplay is good. I keep advising people. See, in terms of the sweet and honey, talking about the bed part, okay, the sweet and honey and the bed part, okay, take your time and explore. Yes, that's one thing people don't know about. You take your time, you explore, you create beautiful memories. Take your time on foreplay. Foreplay is very important. I don't know why most people you will neglect it, because you just feel it doesn't matter. Let's just get straight to the point. When you just like foreplay is what I call the welcoming party. Yes, because when you indulge in foreplay with your partner, you're actually telling the person this is where we're headed to. You are getting the person ready for what is to come. You take time, you take your time and enjoy every moment. Take take that road trip. Enjoy the moment. Build beautiful memories. Keep her wanting, make her an expectant. That's it. Keep her expecting. Prep her for what is to come. Get her body ready and very, very sensitive to you. That's what foreplay does to you. So now let's talk about edging. Edging is very beautiful. I don't know why like most people don't consider this thing. You want to last longer, you must be able to know how to edge. Edging is okay. No ability to control something, ability to hold on. Because see, these things falls with your ability to control. What do I call edging? Edging is that period where you as a guy, you want to come. And then probably you don't want to, at that point, you don't want to come. What do? You come out, you bring out your bola, and then you're able to control it that time for you not to come. You rest a little while before you continue. That is edging. So you know most time when we say edging, most people don't even know what edging is all about. So this is what you call edging. Edging is the ability to hold control it for you not to come immediately, especially when you're yet to satisfy her. And again, now note this. This is what I'm going to tell you. When you want to have your normal bed activities with your woman as a guy, I tell you, see, the first whatever you guys are doing on that bed, the first make out, you will come fast. That's the truth. Now understand that because most time we are the way we are because we let these girls mount unnecessary pressure. Don't entertain pressure. Now, men are not designed to stay in bed forever. Men are designed to come fast. Men are designed to come easily. Okay, because they are the product in itself. They are itself. They are the reason why babies are coming out. So they are not designed to stay there forever. If they become weak and really stressed out, they can make it happen. Few minutes, they are good. That's how they are designed. So when you see a girl telling you you don't do this, my friend last one hour, no, they are taking something. Don't be pressured to doing something you don't want to do. So now that under that edging, let's talk about the squeezing technique. These are ways that you can be able to last longer in bed, especially to see that yes, I am satisfying my girl, I am satisfying my woman. Then the squeezing technique. Okay, it comes a time where like you really probably you guys are doing the bed act and then you want to come as a guy, you bring it out. There's this I will call squeezing technique. That's where like you come, you try to like the tip of your bola, you push it a little bit. Okay, you push it a little, you cover the mouth, the whole the opening. That's the point where you cover the opening and then you kind of like shake it a little bit and then you squeeze. You squeeze, you start squeezing it, covering the whatever you're squeezing, you make sure you're covering the opening. That way you are suppressing whatever that is going on. You're suppressing your calm. You see that at that point the things tend to settle a little bit. You go back in and continue. Yes. So that is it. These are simple, major, minor tricks that can really help you in lasting longer in bed. So when you make sure you the opening, you kind of like really try closing it with your hands, and then you squeeze like you squeeze. I'm talking. I didn't say go to the sharp. I'm talking about the tip of your bola. You squeezing, covering the openings like this. You see the way I'm doing it. You do squeeze it. You see, you are suppressing the cum because it has pressure. It's just like a pumping blood. When it's pumping that way, you need to suppress it with the squeezing method. Therefore, it comes down a little bit and then you stay like for a little while, you push in again to the G spot. Yes, that is it. And again, to enable you last long, I will talk about the positioning. See now, the truth is that there are there are there are sex position that makes you to come fast. Yes, because one, it gives you a deeper penetration. Okay, it gives you a deeper penetration, and then you just get to the walls it straight. So your coming is made easy. So you can use positions that doesn't really enable you to come and start fast. Yes, there are positions that doesn't really push you that much to come. So you can find a position that doesn't really help you to come fast. Yes, like I always say, our body works differently. What works for me might not be what works for you. So that's why I said positions that you know that those ones when I do it, I don't tend to come fast. Next, I'm going to talk about is exposed to different sex positions. See, when you want to have a beautiful moment with your woman, don't stay in one position forever. One, at some point it becomes boring. If she's expectant, if she's expectant, like she has so much expectation, you make her, you satisfy her, trying to satisfy her curiosity, her mind. I know, like, there's one thing about the mind. When you want to do this and it's been in your mind for a long time, you have imagined so much how he will place you, how he will turn you upside down, how he will make your life worth it. So yes, so when you in this kind of position, I would advise, don't be in one position. When you use a particular position for a long time, you tend to come fast. But if you are able to change position often and on, make it fun, change position, you see, it keeps you way much more ahead in the sense that before they start the real deal with their partner. That way it closes the flow, that whole pressure to come and all that, it reduces it, which is optional. Why? Because not everybody indulge in, which is still okay. Some people still make use of sex toys, which is still optional. It depends on what works for you. And most time it comes like it's from your pelvic joint. You can look out for exercises that will help your pelvic muscles and really keep you and help you in lasting longer. So yes, so you can really find, yes, because that's it. Most time all these things comes from the pelvic muscle. So you can find out workouts, exercises that can help you build your pelvic muscle, strengthen your pelvic muscle in order to sustain you and keep you for a period of time. Because yes, these things helps too. So I believe with these beautiful tricks that I have given us, we all know and have really learned like the tricks and the tips in lasting longer, especially when to satisfy your woman. Because most time, if you leave them hanging, it becomes a problem. So being able to satisfy her is everything too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and subscribe to this channel.